welcome back to our channel, the Hazen's Vlog. Right now, we are here at the Woodward Park. So, I will be showing you how does it look. So, I'm so excited actually because this is the first park that I have visited here in Fresno. How it looks outside, but in a short while, we are going down. So we are just looking for a parking spot right now. So we're here at last, guys.
Now go over there and kick them. No, go ahead, go ahead and roll down in the dirt. Roll in the dirt. Kick them, hug them, pick them up. Look, they looking at you like. They look at you like you know you ain't got no business coming over here. You don't got no bread.
We are here at the Woodward Park.
You ain't got no bread.
There are a lot of blues in here. I don't know if they will bite me or not. Yeah, that's it. And my husband is over in the other side. That's where he is. Go, touch the goose. Touchdown. You're gonna touch it, that one first. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of them. Yeah, there's a lot of them. But for sure they're not gonna bite, right?
If you don't have nothing, you ain't got to.
I don't have food. I don't have food for you. But this is just very nice. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. So like the gloomy, the winter, and the summertime difference.
They're over there cleaning the Japanese gardens over here. And I think when people get over there and they put these, it's like a little boats and stuff that they put and let them float and they light it up at nighttime. And that's when you come over there.
That's the Zen garden.